Now, in this modern day and world, having a skill creates value within a network of individuals. It also affords you the opportunity to sell your solutions and services to those who are in need of it. In today's video, you are going to find out 10 unique skills that you can learn from YouTube for absolutely free and make use of it in your life. I've always fancied myself as an artist, so I was on the YouTube streets looking for how I can become an artist, and I chanced upon this tutorial.
I'm going to show you how to animate a cartoon just like this one on your phone 100% for free. And yes, in case you're wondering, I animated this intro only using my phone, the free animation app Flip-a-Clip, and my finger.
And I decided to go ahead and try it and see if I can do it, and this is what I came up with.
But it doesn't mean that you cannot also become an animator.
You can, okay? So you can visit this channel, Stacy, and then learn the tutorials over there. It is with the phone. You don't actually need a laptop or any other heavy equipment to become an animator, okay? My love for drawing also drew me into this channel. This channel really made me feel like I could draw, and you can also do it. This is what I came up with.
Why do I look like an OG?
If you are interested in drawing or any other stuff, you can do this for yourself. You don't need a laptop or a huge software to become a cartoon artist. Just get a phone and app that is needed. You don't need a huge laptop for it. You can visit this channel, Chikanyo. That's where I learn my tutorials from. So if you want to learn a skill of making cartoons out of your pictures, this is the channel that you have to go. Have you ever fancied making soaps for yourself? I mean, I've fancied it. You can prepare your own soaps for yourself. I have not tried it, but then I know that you can learn that skill from YouTube as well. If you want to learn how to make soap, you can visit this channel, Ultimate HP Soap. That is where they make the most amazing tutorials on soap. I am part of their Facebook group. If you want to join the Facebook group, it's over here. You can just go join them, okay? It's a whole community of people who make lovely soaps. I mean, you will love it over there. So becoming a soap maker is also a skill that you can really learn from YouTube for free. So the next skill that I learned from YouTube for free is sign language. Now let me show you the skills that I have acquired. So this is hello, my name is, then I'm going to spell my name, M-E-N-A. Mina. So if you want to learn how to do sign language, you can visit this channel, take lessons on ASL, and then learn some sign languages for yourself. Now the first skill that you can learn from YouTube for free is video editing. You can also learn a lot of tricks when you want to become a video editor. I mostly use this channel, Film Booth, to learn all my video editing skills. My editing skills are kind of rusty because I'm not taking it serious, but if you are serious enough and you want to become a video editor, this channel is a gem for you to pounce on, okay? So the next skill that you can pick from YouTube for free is phone photo editing. I know you go to Instagram and you see these beautiful Instagram feeds and you're wondering how these beautiful feeds are achieved. They are mostly done on the phone, and you can use particular apps to achieve the pictures that you want. I mostly learn photo editing tutorials from Rex Taylor's. Rex does a lot of useful and important photo editing skills tutorials that you can use and apply it to your pictures. So the next skill that you can learn from YouTube for free is making scented candles. Now let me tell you this story. My brother sells fish. If you're a fan of barracuda fish or whatever kind of fish that you want, my brother does worldwide delivery. Yes, I just did an advert for him. I went to his house and his whole living room was smelling of fish.
And I was like, what the hell is this?
So I told him,
Bro, your living room smells.
then he was like, oh, then the whole room will be filled with new scent. I did, and I was amazed at the smell, the sweet smell that came out of the candles. So I decided to find out if we can actually learn candle making from YouTube. If you want to learn how to make scented candles, you can visit this channel, Torera George.
This is
Torera George, and then look at the tutorials that she has over there. You can actually make something of it. The next skill that you can learn from YouTube for free is learning how to sew. I know I've mentioned it on my channel before, and it doesn't hurt to actually mentioning it again. Okay, so I usually visit these channels, Billy Kiss, Ella Can Sew, Welala, and Precious Apparel to learn my sewing skills. I do have a sewing machine, so learning is a little bit easier for me. If you also have a sewing machine, you can just Google how to make basic dresses and stuff, and then look at the patterns that you can use to make beautiful dresses for yourself. Okay, all right my people, the last but one skill on this list is learning how to bake. I mean, I always talk about baking because it's really important. I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so you can learn baking from YouTube, but there are channels that you would want to binge watch because they have amazing baking tutorials. There is Yolanda Gump. Yolanda is a cake artist, and if you are even a baker watching me right now and you want to learn how to decorate cakes, Yolanda Gump is the go-to channel that you have to watch. And then there is Cupcake Gemma. Cupcake Gemma has amazing red velvet recipes that I really love making. And then there is Boulder Baking. Boulder Baking is hosted by Gemma Stafford, and she also does amazing tutorials on all kinds of baking stuff that you want to learn. So make sure you check out these channels to learn a baking skill from them. I always save the best for the last, and the last skill on my list is website creation. If you actually have this skill, you get enough money. I am telling you the truth. Okay, so I actually learned how to create websites from this channel, Hogan Chua. Hogan is an Australian YouTuber who uses his channel to do tutorials on how to create websites. He has all the basics of creating websites to the complex of creating websites for you there. So you can actually go there, learn a skill from there, and use it to help others who are also in need of this service. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't sit there and say you don't have a skill. There are a lot of skills that you can learn from YouTube. If you're interested in learning any kind of skill, just go to YouTube and then search for it. If it's there, you learn it, okay? I do hope this channel has been helpful to you. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel so that you get a notification anytime I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye.